Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. You decide to pick it up and you want to protect your investment. I decided to pick up the Mous Limitless 5.0 case from Amazon. You can get this case from Amazon. I have the links in the description, but it comes in many different styles like bamboo. You have carbon fiber, walnut, and there's a couple other different colors you can pick up. So look in there, you can pick up your favorite one. I did use the Mous Limitless 5.0 and Clarity case for the S23 Ultra, and the Limitless 5.0 was probably one of my favorite cases that I have used on the S23 Ultra. So hopefully I still have the same outcome with this case here. It does come with MagSafe. You can pick up many different little attachments that they have on their website also from Mous. But like we normally do in my case reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can your wireless charge? Do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection around the front display? How strong the magnet is on here? Can you use the S Pen? Just the normal things you look for in a case review. But let's get into it. Enough of me yapping. Nice presentation from them. It said we are getting greener, if you care about the environment there. And we just peel this up. It says live without limits. Nice little presentation, and it opens up like a book. And then you have the Mous Case itself. It also has this technology in there for drop protection, shock absorption. But you can see the MagSafe ring there. The back gives you, this leather feel gives you some type of grip to it. And then they added these little grip things here too on the sides, which helps a lot. But the inside is like this soft material too, so it won't scratch off or scratch your back of your phone. And then you have a little logo there, Mous. It's not pronounced moose. But you can see you do have a lot of protection there for the cameras. I wouldn't slam them down, but you do get some protection there. Also the same thing with the lip action. You get some on the sides, but the top and bottom is where it's at. You have a good bit of lip protection there. So when you lay down, you don't have to worry about scratching up your beautiful display. Everything lines up at the bottom. I didn't even put my pen back in the last video. How easy is it to get the pen out? Not bad. It takes a little bit of work because they could have did a better job coming down. You know, the pen is out there, but you do need some fingernails to get it out. So that's one thing with the Mous design. You can get the pen out, but it could definitely be a better design to get it out there too, because look, I'm struggling. If you have fingernails, you wouldn't struggle. I'm gonna keep that out so that way we can see if the MagSafe works, but everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top too. The grip, I like the grip because of these sides there. It gives you some extra grip. The power button feels nice and tactile. The Vine rockers work great. So the power button is great. The Vine rockers are nice and tactile too. So I know buttons are very important to a case, and these buttons are, they up there, they're good. Now, can you pull this case off? Look, the fit is really good, y'all, too. Oh, I almost dropped it. And the sides are really good. The sides I can't really pull apart, and then take it off. You can tell there it's not the easiest, but definitely not the hardest. So again, I say this in every video. If you drop your phone, the phone won't just come popping out of the case. So overall, the fit is good. Bulkiness, there's no bulkiness to this case. If it's nice and snug fitting case, and it's not much of a weight to it, so yeah, it doesn't add much bulk to your phone either. Let's do a quick smell test. Yes, it smells like leather there too. So I do like the back of it. I see, this might be one of my favorite cases again. Let's check out the magnet strength. So the magnet is pretty strong on there. Yes, I like the magnet. I mean, it can pick up the phone. So it passes the Forbes Tech Review test. Is it super strong, like heavy duty, like you need 2 arms to pull it off? No, but it will work. I mean, it should hold up any battery pack too. And then we go back to the test. Create a note. We can say Forbes Tech Reviews. Hi. And for me, it works just fine taking notes. I can scroll with it. I can move my pen back and forth. So I have no issues with the S Pen and MagSafe in this case. So that's a good thing because people care. Then the last thing too is what we want to check out. Yes, you can get to your edge panel over here too, because people still use the edge panel, so you can still get to it. So just a quick recap, the buttons are really good. I like the overall fit and size of this case. It doesn't add bulk to it. The MagSafe is pretty strong on there and does not give issues with the S Pen. Man, this case marks a lot of boxes that you look for when you're trying to buy a case. So if you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Also, follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.